2 minutes.
Ilan pa kami? Ba't ang dami nyo dyan?
No, we're keeping 10 in here.
4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Juicy, are you joining us? Are you joining?
Come on, Mom.
Okay, we're going to play the treasure hunt. Treasure hunt. We're going to, you all are going to find five.
$500?
No,
Lazy.
five stuff. But it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five
items and 4 items, 3 items, 2 items, 1.
Where is the place? Give us the place.
Those all over the place. Where's the first group? Where's the first group?
Gee whiz.
Alright, first group. This is your treasures.
Which one is first group?
Wow, really? Yeah, over there.
Okay, first group, you only have 2 minutes. Or 1 minute. 1 minute to find the treasures, okay? Okay? Alright? Okay, listen now, listen. Okay, find these treasures. 5 socks. 5 socks. 4 strands of hair. 3 coins.
Oh.
3 coins. 2 eyeglasses. And 1 handkerchief. And you put it all here at the front. 5 socks. 4 strands of hair. 3 coins. 1 minute. 2 eyeglasses. And 1 handkerchief. Ready, start!
Dapat sabay. Dapat sabay para maganda.
I'm pulling her hair.
So, you're going to judge them if they're complete.
Wow. I don't think we have I don't see a strand of hair. I don't see them.
I think we need 30 seconds. 30 seconds is enough. Okay, group 2. Do they have blood? Yeah? Are you all complete now? Okay, 5 socks.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4 strands of hair.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4. 3 coins.
3 coins.
2 eyeglasses.
3 eyeglasses.
1 handkerchief. Alright, congratulations. Yeah, this all. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. The next round will be 30 seconds. Okay. Okay.
Hoy! Go ask Tiki Shay. Go ask his mommy. Okay?
All right, group 2. Here are your treasures. 5 shoes. 4 belts. 3 wallets. 2 sweaters. 1 lipstick. Hang on, hang on. Pull it back first. Put them back in your Right, 5 shoes, 4 belts, 3 wallets, 2 sweaters, and 1 lipstick. Ready? Go!
Oh, we got him. One.
Lipstick.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's count. 5 shoes only. 5 shoes. 5 shoes. Okay? Alright, so that's not 5 shoes. Oh, sorry, no. I only said 5 shoes.
Somebody else do it.
3 wallets. 4 belts. 2 sweaters.
I have your wallet.
No, I have mine.
Oh, where's the belt? You're missing one belt.
1 lipstick. Okay. You lose. Oh, that's only 2.
I have your wallet.
Okay, group 1
Really?
has 1. Score is 1-0.
Alright, what's the next one? There's another round.
Now it's only 30 seconds, okay? Alright, 30 seconds.
Put on your clothes.
Alright, come on, make it quick, make it quick.
Come on, kids. Come on. Andy. Alright.
Okay, group 1.
Captain, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's with last? Oh, G, come here, G.
Hey, you just settle down, Mommy. Mommy,
Okay,
after the game, we will.
alright, here are your treasures. Okay, 30 seconds, okay?
The same group? No, just one.
Group number 1, okay? 5 gifts.
Gifts, okay?
4 table napkins. Not yet, 4 table napkins.
Someone to get the
3 makeup kit.
three.
Makeup kit, 3 makeup kit. 2 jackets.
Two jackets.
2 jackets.
I'll do it. I have it.
1 hairband.
I got
5 gifts, 4 table napkins, 3 makeup, 2 jackets, 1 hairband. And I'm not going to repeat this, okay?
Wait.
Start.
what?
Now.
Okay, fine. Go get the napkin, Andy.
What napkin? What napkin?
Take the napkin. That's 5 gifts.
4 table napkins,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 wallet, oh no,
3
3
makeup
makeup
kit.
kits.
There's 3.
It's not a kid.
Well, it's makeup kit. It's a makeup kit. What is that? 2 jackets.
2 jackets,
Uh-huh.
and 1 hairband.
Hairband.
It's a hairband. Like a
As long as
band.
it's the...
What did you do?
Alright, group 1, 2. Score is 2. Alright, group 2, group 2. Group 2.
over there.
Ay, nako. Hindi na.
5 fingernails.
Really?
As long as there is a fingernail.
I'll be there. No, I'll sit down with 5.
5
I'll
fingernails.
sit down with 5.
4 watches. 3 pens.
Wait.
Hairpins. 2 hairpins. And 1 ball stick. 1 denture.
Big Mama's team.
Listen.
I didn't even start yet.
Start. Sham, we haven't started yet. You're already collecting.
Start.
Oh, start.
I got my 5 nails right here.
Go find your mama.
I got 5 nails. Whatever the watch that right there.
Four.
How many pins?
Go find your
I need hairpins.
Kill someone.
Hairpins.
Where's the hairpin? You got too many watches.
Well, you did chores, you did
How come ours is hardest? Ours has been the hardest both times.
Oh, there's a thing.
Okay, group 2. 5 fingernails.
Oh, there's the
4 watches.
thing. 4.
3 pens.
What?
2 hairpins.
I thought you said hairpin.
Hairpins.
He was already walking with
1
pens.
false teeth or denture. Okay. Group 2, 0 again.
That's ano naman?
I know ours is too hard. It's not fair.
You said hairpin.
Both times ours has been the hardest.
Hindi may pen pa, may hairpin.
How hairpin?
Hairpin. Okay, group number 1.
I call for a redo.
I will assign each of you.
Okay, group 1, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Whose watch is this?
20 seconds. Okay, group 1.
Listen.
5 toys. 4 books. 4 books.
5 books now.
Ito siya sa 5 toys.
Ito, 5 choice.
3 hats or caps.
3 hats.
2 combs.
Go.
1 pencil.
Okay, go.
Hang on.
Okay, go.
5 toys, 4 books, 3 hats or cups,
3 hats
2
now.
combs, 1 pencil. Okay, I'm not going to repeat this. Start.
Toys, toys.
5 toys.
Ilabit ko to. Toys to ha. Toys.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dayaon. Okay, group 2, count. Group 2, count. 5 toys. 5 toys.
That's not a toy. That's candy.
That's
Now it's time for the toy.
5 books, 4 books. 4 books. 3.
4, 5.
That's a lot. That's a lot. That's not 4.
Yeah,
3 hats or cup.
here, 3 hats.
2 cups. 1 pencil.
Colored pencil, I don't count. You said pencil. Colored pencil.
Okay, group 1, 3. Group 2, 0. Okay, group 2. Group 2. Group 2, you have 20 seconds. Group 2. Group 2. Here are your treasures. 5 car keys. 4 remote controls.
It's
5
running
car
right now.
keys, 4 remote controls, 3 candies.
Got the candies over there.
No, don't move it.
2 dads. 2 dads.
Yeah, got 2 dads.
1 diaper. 4 remote controls, 3 candies, 2 dads, 1 diaper.
Just daddy. Oh.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 5 turkeys. 5 turkeys. 4 remote controls. 3 candies. 2 dads. 1 diaper. How many car keys you got? Really, huh? Okay. Group 2, 1.
We get 5.
Group 1, 2. Okay. 2. Okay, group 1. Yeah, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Group 1. Group 1. Group 1.
Mercedes yung sa akin. Mercedes. Mercedes yung sa akin.
Okay.
Is the last one?
No, this is the
Three.
3-1. Okay. Alright. Here are your treasures.
Okay.
5 cell phones.
Okay.
4 paper
We
plates.
get the 5 paper plates. 5 cell phone, 4 paper plates.
3 forks.
Hey!
Hey!
Three forks, 4 cell
3
phones.
forks. 2 sisters. 2 sisters. 1 baby bottle. Okay. 5 cell phones. 4 paper plates. 3 forks. 2 sisters.
Not yet.
1 baby bottle.
Okay, go.
Start.
stuff.
Yeah, okay, Jaguars!
5 credit cards. 5 credit cards. 4
I got here, Kyla.
2 moms.
Two what?
2 moms. Moms.
Oh, mom.
And $1 bill. $1 bill. Okay, 5 credit cards, 4 pictures or photos, 3 cameras, 2 moms, and $1 bill. Start.
There, no, there's the phone. No, there's the phone. The cameras, right?
3.
The phone. The phone.
Stop. Stop. Okay, 5 credit
There,
cards.
pick cameras.
5 credit cards. No, we have 2. 5 credit cards. That's the share check.
It's okay, Carl. It's okay.
There's 5 photos.
Okay, 4 pictures.
4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4 pictures.
3 cameras.
Only one.
3 cameras.
That's only one. That's only two.
Right there.
Right here. No mom. $1 bill.
Around in a 10-feet radius.
Yeah, you can make it a 10 feet radius. That's my camera.
Ang malaki. 5 points. 5 points for this. Good job, John.
Okay, group 2, you have 2. You have 2. Okay, group 2, you have 2. So what's the score? 4-2. 4-2. Okay, group 1. This is the last one.
Last one.
Last one.
You don't have picture of Kyla?
Mati.
This is my work log.
Mga patingilan.
Patinggilan. Pero, gusto mo na? Go over there. Come here, G.
Okay, group 1.
Okay,
Here are your treasures.
10
Yeah, 10
seconds.
seconds.
Oh, 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Don't let that.
Don't block the way. Don't trigger. Get in the way. Okay.
Okay. 5 cups.
Cups. You cups.
4 spoons.
4 spoons. Spoons. Cups, G. Cups. G. 5 for spoons. 5. 4
4
spoons.
spoons. 2 cooking pans. 2 cooking pans. Two tablet computers.
You only get 2 cooking pans. Pati dalawa pati na tablet.
I'm gonna walk
Cooking
by.
pans.
3 cooking pans. 4 spoons. 5 cups.
2 tablet computers.
2 tablets. Yeah, iPad. Okay, 2 iPad.
1 grandma. 1 grandma.
Okay, right here, Karma.
1 grandma.
Ilan yung ano ko?
Okay, 5 cups. 4 spoons. 3 cooking pans.
2 iPad.
2 computers. 1 grandma. Mga patinggilan.
That is harassment.
Wala na kami kaulan.
5 cups. 5 cups. 5 cups.
Wala na.
4 spoons. 3 cooking pans. So it's 4-2. No score for group 1. Hey, group 2. This is the last one. Group 2, last one. 10 seconds. Group 2, listen. You have 10 seconds. Group 2, 10 seconds.
No, it's okay.
One, surround members of group 2, prevent them from moving from the
No, because you all are starting. What do you think? Okay, group 2. 5 water bottles. 5 water bottles. 4 Christmas wrappers. Christmas wrappers. 3 lady bags. The ladies. 2 chicken bones. Really? Yes.
Chicken bone.
1 $20 bill. 5 water bottles. 4 Christmas wrappers. 3 lady